Welcome to this lecture. This is the last lecture of this course. I hope you are enjoying this course. Go to golang.org website, open documents and then search error handling and go to error handling page. Here you can learn that if you have written any Go code, you have probably encountered the built-in error type. I am giving you an assignment, and that is read this documentation and perform this code into your browser, into Golang play section. This is very easy and simple, and you can learn this topic from documentation. This is just for your practice, otherwise I will perform this code for you. But I hope once again that you are enjoying this course, and thank you for watching this course. Thank you so much for your time.